Once upon a time, in a vibrant and colorful forest, there lived a curious little squirrel named Sparky. Sparky loved to explore every corner of the forest, hopping from tree to tree, always on the lookout for something new. One sunny day, while Sparky was busy exploring, he spotted something shiny near the edge of the forest. Curious as always, Sparky scurried down to take a closer look. To his surprise, Sparky found a golden acorn. It sparkled in the sunlight, and as Sparky picked it up, it began to glow. Suddenly, a magical voice echoed, "You found the acorn of wishes. You can make 3 wishes." Excited, Sparky thought about his first wish. "I wish for endless nuts for all my friends in the forest," he said. And just like that, nuts of all kinds began to fall from the trees. The forest animals were overjoyed, gathering the nuts and celebrating. For his second wish, Sparky decided, "I wish I could fly like a bird." In an instant, wings sprouted from Sparky's back, and he soared high into the sky. He flew over the forest, seeing it from a whole new perspective. But as Sparky flew, he began to miss the fun of climbing trees. Flying was exciting, but it wasn't quite the same. So for his final wish, Sparky said, "I wish to be my normal squirrel self again." The wings disappeared, and Sparky was back on the ground, feeling more like himself. Sparky realized that while magic was fun, he was happy just being himself. He returned to his cozy nest with the golden acorn, placing it carefully inside. Sparky smiled, knowing that the true magic was in the simple joys of life. And from that day on, Sparky continued his adventures, exploring the forest and enjoying every moment, just as he always had. Moral: true happiness comes from appreciating who you are and enjoying the simple joys of life, rather than relying on magical changes or external wishes.
So click subscribe, don't miss the play. Join our party.